Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for December 23rd through January 4th. December 23rd to 27th. We're going to go back here to 23rd. We have a trough that remains over western North America. You can see it right across here. Oops. Right across this area here. And we have a ridge in the east. And we have a persistent upper low over the Arctic Ocean with weak positive anomalies across Canada, and this will minimize the risk of any significant cold air penetrating southeast into the nation next week. On Monday, we're going to go to the other maps. On Monday, we'll have a storm system on the southeast. You see it right here. This will bring heavy rain. You can see we have heavy rain. This will be the flow. We have tropical moisture feeding in here. And that's the GFS. Here's the European. Brings more heavy rain inland. And upper energy moving into the west will cause high elevation snow to portions of the west. On Monday also, you can see here. Here's one system. Bring high elevation snow to portions of the west Monday and Tuesday. We go to Tuesday. And then we have this other system here that would be moving in to the west. Whoops. Here's our atmospheric river. Where did I go? Our atmospheric river bringing the system in here. And then we go to Monday and Tuesday. See the system moving into the west, and this will bring heavy precipitation will be favored across the terrain from Southern California through Arizona and parts of the Great Basin and the Central Rockies. Going to look now at the period for December 23rd, December 26th to the 30th. And a trough ridge. Trough configuration is forecast in the west. See right here, here's trough, ridge, trough, or upper low over the East Pacific. And we have a trough in the west and a ridge in the east. And models start to diverge with mixed height anomalies by around the 29th. I'll show you here what I'm talking about. See, now here is the GFS. Here is the GFS ensembles, the European ensembles. So like they're showing mixed signals. The NAO, we're going to go look at that. The NAO will be negative and will be weakly negative through day 10, and this occurs as heights increase across Greenland as we go through this period. So we'll go back here. We start seeing that heights start to increase across Greenland area. Right now they're kind of weak. See, this is the European ensemble, shows very strong positive height anomalies here, so it'll turn negative there for a little while, and we'll see how that affects the pattern later on, and if that lasts, which it may, because during going back here looking at it remains weakly negative through day 14, so we have to see what the effects are on our pattern. So during this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures here with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures here with anomalies of 4 degrees above normal for precipitation. Column 4, below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is about 35%. Then we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Now, also take a look here. This is a map I had from yesterday. And this is the GFS, and this is the 9 to 10 day outlook at 10 millimeters. And here's the polar vortex, and we have a strong polar vortex resulting in westerly winds. This will keep the cold air bottled up across Canada. At least it won't be coming into the eastern U.S. during this period. Okay, and also going back to the models. I want to show you here the NEFS and the GFS all have a trough here, weak trough, with above normal heights here, while the European has a very strong trough here across the west central states. Strong positive height anomalies here, strong positive height anomalies here, which would favor a trough, but it's not there yet. Just want to see how this will work out. So during this forecast period, forecasting below normal temperatures for this region, forecast anomalies of 8 degrees or more below normal, and above normal temperatures are here, with the anomalies there 4 degrees above normal. For precipitation, below normal precipitation forecast for the Northwest, probability of occurrence is 35%, and we have above normal precipitation for the Southern Rockies, the Plains, and the Mississippi Valley, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 23rd through January 4th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.